Energy is one of the essentials of society, and some argue that what differentiates an advanced and developed society from a minimalistic and a simpler one is the harvesting of energy. There are a variety of ways to do so, however, the most recent evident one will be the burnings of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are remains of ancient organisms' organic matter broken down. These organic matters translate to coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Due to the deceased biomass containing hydrocarbon material, they are burned. Alongside the presence of oxygen, the steam is generated to drive the generators, yielding the supply of electricity. There are countless of negatives alongside fossil fuels and burning them. For example, their burning contributes a significant role to global warming, pollution of the air, water, and/or land. As stated previously, fossil fuel burning yields several complications that do not affect a particular species, however, the entire community as a whole. Though one species or human population may not have been affected by fossil fuel burnings, their effects still might be present. Biological magnification refers to the chain whereby one organism that had been affected or poisoned by fossil fuel burnings gets eaten by another, and that organism gets eaten by another, passing on the poison from one organism to another. Say a poisoned fish gets eaten by a larger one, poisoning it as well. Later on, the larger one gets caught and sold across the country. The individuals that consume the larger fish will get poisoned with a higher concentration of that of the initial poisoned fish. More specifically, some of those complications are pollution of water, land, and air. The pollution of land and water would be the habitat destruction of marine and land animals due to all the waste deposited, not only killing the organisms, however, polluting a potential freshwater source for humans. Regarding the air, the burning of fossil fuels has been associated with acidic rain. Acid rain has several detrimental impacts to both the environment, forests, lakes, streams, etc., and human health. As well, in some places, the massive amount of carbon will make the air intolerable. Another significant effect of fossil fuel burning is global warming. This would affect all species due to 1. The melting of the ice caps, and 2. Warming of temperature. There are alternatives to burning of fossil fuels: renewable energy. Renewable energy such as solar power, wave power, wind power, hydroelectricity, and nuclear power potentially oppose fossil fuel burnings both economically and in efficiency. Recently, energy has taken an advantage. The expenses of buying it and preserving it have only become cheaper than fossil fuel burnings. Several renewable energy sources have taken a major leap as of recent years, solar energy most notably. Solar energy is harvesting radiating energy emitted by the sun, converting it to thermal or electrical energy. Germany is infamous in terms of their profound research and development when it comes to clean energy. One major leap is that previously only a limited amount of the energy radiated was able to be harvested, thus much of it was gone to waste. However, recently some of the best solar panels are capable of translating 14.88% of the energy to viable electricity. There are no wastes produced by using clean and renewable energy. Wind energy is another significant source of renewable clean energy. Wind energy takes advantage of the uneven heating of the atmosphere by the sun, the rotation of the earth, and the irregular surface. Once these factors are taken advantage of, it can be used to generate electricity. Wind turbines convert the energy into mechanical power used for pumping water and such, however, is once again converted to electricity. This sort of energy produces no waste and is reusable. Water covers 70% of land on Earth, thus another significant source of energy is hydropower. Hydroelectric energy contains the force of moving water off of Earth's bodies of water. The process is done by using that power to spin hydraulic turbines. Through this process, kinetic energy is formed, then to electricity. This source is reliable and reusable, however, has a minor negative impact. At some places, it disrupts the river ecosystem.